Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the interface language on or for your account on chess.com. So let us guide you through this. So guys, there are two types of language settings on chess.com. The one applying to the website's interface, and one for example, for the displayed content, like, I don't know, advices and hints by the computer, by a coach, or the spoken language for various audio and visual options. So if you'd like to change these settings, navigate to your account settings by clicking into that gear icon at the bottom left, select all settings, navigate to accessibility here. Next, here at the top, select your language. For example, for the spoken language by the computer coach, and so on and so forth. Clicking to save, and that's it. If you'd like to change the interface language, scroll to the very bottom of the page, select language, and select the interface language for the website. So if I switch from English to Spanish, basically the interface will be displayed in Spanish, as you can see. So let me switch back to English, idioma, English. There you go. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.